Schools using Whiteboard Paint report up to 60% more student participation. Improve student engagement. When students are confronted with a whiteboard wall's vast open surface, they feel free to express their ideas and engage deeply with lesson content. Instantaneous teacher feedback. Whiteboard painted walls make immediate feedback effortless, enabling teachers to correct mistakes and misconceptions and give students guidance in real time. Active recall and memory. The physical act of writing on a vertical surface like a whiteboard wall involves multiple senses and thus enhances recollection and retention of lesson content. Enhanced group activities. Whiteboard painted walls are especially great to use in group activities such as brainstorming and math problem solving, as they inspire intense student interaction. Benefits for underrepresented students. According to a recent report in the American Physiological Society journal, using traditional whiteboards can improve learning of science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM lessons among students from underrepresented social groups. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist, or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.